Welcome to the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Our department is guided by visionary leadership and supported by experienced faculty members dedicated to academic excellence and student success. In our classrooms, strong theoretical foundations are built through interactive teaching and concept-based learning. As students are trained to think critically, solve problems creatively, and adapt to the ever-evolving world of technology. Our department library offers valuable academic resources, reference materials, and technical knowledge to support continuous learning. Faculty provide hands-on guidance, ensuring students gain practical knowledge in electronics and communication systems. Like a rocket ready to launch, our students are prepared to reach new heights in innovation, research, and global careers. Admissions are open now. Join the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering and launch your future with confidence.